So hello friends, we will discuss about how to create a new YouTube channel and grow and start earning from YouTube. Very easy step. So we will go to YouTube. So wait for 1 to 2 seconds and we can cut ad. So we can go to the option we can see your profile. So I have already channel. So you have no already channel so start switch account. So there are many options. So click on accounts. So checking information. So you can touch fingerprint sensor. So we can create a new channel. So create account. Tab on create account. So there is two options for my personal use, for work or my business. So we can business account. So tab on business and enter your first name. So you have any surname. So select surname and click on next. So select date of birth, your date of birth will enter there. Above 18 years, you can choose your date of birth. So select gender, male, female. So click on next. So enter your create Gmail account. So no already exist. So enter. So already taken. So we will select Gmail. We can now taken. So enter password, strong password, letter, number, symbol. So enter 8 to 10 characters of letter and click on next. So review your account information. Your YouTube account is ready. So click on next and privacy and terms. You can read this and click on I agree. So Google service can search your program. So you can take yeah, new Gmail for a YouTube account. So click on this new Gmail. So there are many options. So see full video. So click on you. So option is create a channel. So your name and create a channel. So tab on create a channel. So you can enter picture. You take picture and choose from gallery. So I have not taken. So your name and handle. So your unique name. You can choose gaming channel. So gaming channel. So enter this. So click on save and enter any number. So save. Your handle name is changed. So create channel. Your channel is ready for uploading your video. So tap on add. So upload video, create a short. You can earn very much money from YouTube channel.